Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best electric foot massager Shiatsu Kneading Deep Tissue Relax Heated. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best electric foot massager Shiatsu Kneading Deep Tissue Relax Heated. For smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. After a long day, an electric foot massager with Shiatsu kneading and heat can provide the ultimate relief. These devices are designed to mimic the firm yet soothing motions of a professional massage, targeting deep tissue tension and enhancing relaxation. Here's what to consider when purchasing one. Look for a model with multiple modes and adjustable intensity levels. This ensures you can customize the experience, whether you need a gentle rub or a deep tissue massage. Heat enhances the massage by improving blood circulation and relieving stiffness. Choose a massager with a reliable, adjustable heating option for added comfort. A well-designed foot massager should accommodate different foot sizes and fit comfortably under your desk or in your living space. Lightweight and compact models are perfect for portability. Opt for a device with intuitive controls, such as one-touch buttons or a remote control, to switch settings effortless. Check for high-quality materials and removable, washable covers for hygiene and long-lasting use. Popular models often include additional features like air compression and vibration for a more comprehensive experience. Whether for relaxation, managing foot pain, or improving circulation, an electric Shiatsu foot massager with heat is an investment in your well-being. Compare reviews, features, and warranties to find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching the video.